as any parent will tell you, the amount of stuff you collect is a bit overwhelming. You got car seats, strollers, pack and play, that could go on. And after a couple of years, or kids, when things get well used, they get gross. And sometimes they're just not safe anymore. Meijer wants to help families replace that baby gear sustainably and affordably with their recycling event. We've got Matt Campbell. He's the baby buyer for Meijer, here to tell us more about it. Matt, thanks so much for being here.
Great. Thanks for having me.
So this is the first time you guys are doing this. Let's talk about the why. What made you decide to do something like this?
Yeah, this is our first time, and we've wanted to do this for a while, and finally we're able to make it happen. And we're doing it really to help people with the recycling. We want to be good stewards of our communities and everything that we do, and help get product out of people's houses, keep it out of the landfill, and recycle it to a better use.
Okay, so tell me how this works, what you're accepting, what parents need to know. All
right, we're taking back car seats, booster seats, strollers, travel systems, all of those things that you've used to keep your kids safe in the car or push them around. And we'll bring them into the store. There's a bin at the front of the store in the customer service area, and you put it in the bin. And then there's an opportunity on the bin to put in a code and get an M-Perk if that's something that you wanted to do, to buy something else.
Okay, and that goes directly to if you want to buy something for baby, it's like a 25% off.
Yeah, it's 25% off other things in the baby department, another car seat or stroller, or a little bit wider range of things like bassinets and play yards.
Wonderful. And so talk about, has this started already?
Yeah, it started on the 27th, so on Sunday, and it's going to run for 2 weeks. It'll run through the 9th of November.
Okay, perfect. And literally, it's as simple as walking in with your stuff, putting it in the bin. If you want the 25% off, you just scan the code.
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly, just like that. And I've been really pleased as I go into the store at how much has already come back. The bins are full, everybody's excited about it, and it's just a good event.
Yeah, and I guess it's got to be kind of hard, because I think that these things, trying to recycle them yourself is not an easy task.
You really can't, because there's plastic and there's foam and there's metal, and so we bring it back and we send it to someone who breaks it down and uses it into its component parts and recycle it into other things.
Wonderful. Anything else new and exciting, baby, you want to talk about?
Oh, there's always new and exciting in baby. But we're really excited for holiday. There will be some really fun toys and activity centers for babies out there.
I've already got my wish list catalog, so...
You let me know. I can hook you up.
Oh, all right. Well, okay. But I know that there are plenty of parents out there right now with this stuff that's collecting dust or crumbs or things, and you need to either, get bigger or, just get rid of it all.
Just get rid of it.
There you go. Go to your local Meijer, drop it in the bin now through November 9th. You want to learn more about this, you want to learn more about all the great things happening at your local Meijer store, Meijer.com. We'll be right back.